Did you know that you could make some money for simply rating some products, some software? Do you know, like those 5 stars or 4 stars you usually see next to a software or an application? Do you know that you could actually get paid for actually just rating some products, like putting 4 stars on a certain software, 3 stars, and maybe writing something, just writing something about the product, like, hey, I think this product sucks, I don't like this product, or maybe, hey, this product was really useful. Do you know that you could actually get money for doing that? Well, if you're interested in that, watch this video all the way to the end so that you can understand what you need to do so that you can make money for yourself. This is really amazing because it's easy to do. It's absolutely free to do as well. You don't pay any money to do this. You're only here to rate some stuff and write a little, just write something stupid or write something nice about the product and make some money. It's available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. If you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, America, South America, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. And just comment down below right now from which country you're coming from. So now, before I show you this awesome method, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe. And also click on that notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you will get a notification. So the website we want to go to is called G2. It's g2.com. Now, before you do this by yourself, just watch this video all the way to the end so you understand what it's about. So when you're over here, don't get too confused. You basically want to scroll all the way down. As you can see, people are rating different things, different products. Like, they're rating 4 stars, 4.5, 4.5, 4 stars, 4.5, 4 stars, 4.5, 4.5. As you can see, this is the kind of stuff that I'm talking about, just rating things. So if you're interested in that, you want to scroll down and you want to click on here, write a review. Are you using software? Write a review. Help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. So you want to click on write a review. So when you click on write a review, you want to come over here. So the process is very simple. You select the product that you want to review, you leave a review, then you share it, and it's done. You share it on LinkedIn. So, for example, the kind of product, there's so many products that you use every single day. Let's take, for example, let's go into media and communication. Let's see what products we have here. So hold on, you're going to see the Zoom, Skype, Cisco. If there's any products that you've used before, just look for it. Google Forms, I've used that. Apple iCloud if you have an Apple phone. Dropbox, Google Drive, Facebook Pages Manager. So all these available software in the department of media and communication. So for example, Skype. I use Skype, so I want to click on maybe Skype. I use Zoom, and maybe you want to scroll down a bit and see. Definitely Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive for business. So you use these 4 items. These are products that I personally use. So you want to click on continue. So let's, for example, click on Skype. You want to review Skype because you've used Skype. You maybe chat with your friends on Skype. You make some calls and stuff. So now you want to review Skype. How likely is it that you would recommend Skype to a friend or a colleague? Well, Skype is really cool. I know WhatsApp is now doing its thing and all. We can use our phones. But Skype is always nice when you can just lay down and have a bigger screen on your computer. You know, with WhatsApp, you're really limited to a small screen. Sometimes you want to see like your family members on a bigger screen. So I would recommend maybe a 9. So you want to put a title of your review. So describe your experience in a short sentence. So I'm going to type Skype has been really helpful to me and my friends because when we are far away from each other, it helps us okay, just making sure Skype has been really helpful to me and my friends because just put in Skype has been really helpful to me and my friends. Okay, so click on next. What do you like best? Okay, this is where I want to put in Skype helps a lot when I am far away from friends and family. It helps us keep in contact. That's what I like about Skype. Very simple. What do you dislike? What do I dislike? So what do I dislike about Skype? What I dislike about Skype is the fact that it doesn't have a social area to post recent photos. Because on Skype you just put your profile photo and that's it. So yeah, you can put something like that. Maybe you like everything about the product. It's up to you. Then you want to click on next. What problems are you solving with Skype? What benefits have you realized? Well, basically, it helps me keep in touch with family. That's a good one. Let's see what's next. At which organization did you most recently use Skype? Maybe other. Which organization did I use Skype? Mainly at home. Wasn't really an organization, was really at home. What is your organization size when using this product? Myself only. What is your industry when using this product? Is there something like communications? Telecommunications. Are you a current user of Skype? Yes, I am. What is your primary role when using Skype? I'm a user. Do you or your company implement, resell, or consult on behalf of? No. Next. In addition to making my review available on the site, the provider of the product I review may use this review, my name and likeness. Yes, you can use this review. I would like this review to appear as unattributed. So if you don't want to show your name or your picture, just click on that. I certify that this review is based on my own experience and is my genuine opinion. Definitely, this is me. Does Skype meet all of their requirements you expect? Let's keep it on 5. Ease of use. Is Skype a delight to use? Yeah, it's a delight to use. Quality of support. Is the support team able to answer your questions? I've never really had issues with Skype, so I'll just say 7. So next. What is your level of experience with Skype? More than 5 years. How frequently do you use Skype? At least once a week. Did your organization switch to Skype from another vendor? No. Next. Is Skype headed in the right direction? Yes. Did you integrate Skype with any other software? No. Recommendations to other considering. So guys, you get the picture of it all. So you're gonna just finish all of these, and you're going to realize that when somebody searches up Skype, for example, let's say for example on the Play Store, then somebody puts in, let's say, Skype, you're going to see that over here the ratings are going to be measured based on the amount of people that have actually provided, but you will see that you will see your review over here, like exactly what you said will appear over here. Do you understand? So basically, this is basically how it works. So you don't have to be limited to Skype. I'm just using Skype as an example. So there's so many products that you can actually use, and you get paid for every single product that you promote. So basically there's so many products that you can do. There's Dropbox, there's even Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. It depends on exactly what you basically like, the kind of work you're into. There's so many softwares from different departments. Let's take for example design. I'm not a person that is into design, but let's see what we have here. For example, photo editor, Adobe Photoshop. A lot of people like using Photoshop. Adobe Illustrator, Snapper. So for those who like modifying photos, editing photos and stuff, you can actually just, give some reviews on these kind of things, and your reviews will be shown online, and you get money for every single review, because once you're done, you will share the review and then you get paid. So that's basically what I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. Please like the video, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you'll easily be able to watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.